Hello, this video is going to explain to you maps in NVivo, why we create map, how we create map, and the benefits of using these maps. First of all, I would like to make a difference between the main three types of maps that NVivo is giving to us. The first one is a mind map. The mind map is a way to write down or make shapes that reflect our thoughts, like we are brainstorming. Concept map is more about we brainstorm and we add to this some objects of the project. We can add cases, codes, or interviews. Project map, it is just the project where I can to give me an idea how the project is linked together, so I can import different objects I create in the project: memos, interviews, surveys, cases, all of the other objects, and see how they are linked together. So we can say that these maps will help us to construct our ideas, sort the themes to build your node hierarchy. Also, it can help us to analyze, to develop ideas and visualize theories. It helps us to determine what exactly the approach that we are going to go to, what are the relationship between, for example, nodes. Also to discover and find out the emerging themes, connection that you might not have anticipated. And also it can explain to us, express the interpretation of the data. We can actually use evidence to show the association and the connections between different objects in your project. So actually the maps with the three different types give us like kind of overview of our thoughts and also the project affordance. In this video, I'm going to focus on the mind map. So first of all, we go to the NVivo, and all the maps are here. When you go on the main folder, in the subfolder which is maps, you can right click and give you the three different types we mentioned. I'll go to new mind map. I will say thoughts. And I will show you like a nice feature of the mind map. We start here, of course, that you have, it's like a simple PowerPoint where you can insert the object. I will say, for example, I'm going to write, I say teachers, for example, knowledge. And here I'm going to have a child node. I would say, for example, here content. More like Schulman. Okay, so we go for the with the content. I would say pedagogy, not knowledge. Exactly, we are following Schulman. So, and also here with the pedagogy content, I would say technology. And we can have a child node as well. For example, for the content, I would say, or maybe the technology, I can say, for example, CPD. And in the pedagogy, I say the child idea, we can have like different ones. In the pedagogy, I would say qualifications. In the content, I would say subject matter, and so on. We can create and we can brainstorm all our ideas. The nice thing is, after you create your mind map, you can do something like I think it's going to be added feature to the mind map. If I look at the existing nodes in this project, I see them like this. I can add this as a node. So I'm going to add it to the node structure in my project. If I press OK, you can see that I have the second one, a main node which is teachers knowledge, and you can see the structure has been created. This feature, I would advise that it can be used as a way if you have your research is deductive or part of it deductive, where we have some of the code structure in mind. We could have it from previous literature or maybe by a survey. So this is like an easy way we can see the ideas and we can see how they are linked together we can control them, and then by the end, by clicking just a right click, you can this hierarchy and the whole mind map can be go to the list of the nodes. I hope that you find it useful. I gave you a whole idea about the maps in NVivo and the different uses for them, and I focus on the mind map, how to be useful in creating the node structure. I hope that you find it useful. Thank you and goodbye.